Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to follow people on Roblox. So the first step is to simply go to Roblox, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply search for who you want to follow. So I'm gonna go and search a random user. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on their name, and then you're gonna get redirected to their profile. So basically here you can see their friends, the followers, and the following. Now in order to follow this account, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on these three dots in the top right corner, and then simply click on follow, and basically that's all you have to do. Now if you want to unfollow them, do the same thing. So simply click on these three dots and then on the unfollow button, and that's all you have to do. Now if we go to our profile, we can see that we are following one person, and if we click on the following number, we can see who we are following basically. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.